Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this style, then keep on watching. So I used this kinky extension from Noble Gold in the colors number 1, and I proceeded to cut the extensions in two because I wanted the hairstyle to be short. So I cut it in two, and also I had just 2 pack of the extensions and I didn't want to risk it, so I decided to cut it in two to save, to have enough for my whole hair, and cut it in two. I also fluffed the ends, and what I normally do is I section my hair in 4 large sections, and then I work on each sections one at a time. So you can see me here. I decided to braid the roots of the hair before proceeding to twist the rest of the hair. So all I did was braid the roots and proceed to twisting. And guys, you can see my parts are not too clean, but yeah, I don't mind. I make them very neat when I'm in front, but at the back of my hair I wasn't seeing much, and I didn't use any mirror, so the back was not very neat. But I don't mind. Whenever I style the hair, it doesn't show, the pattern doesn't show if it's rough or it's neat. And this is a kinky style. I wanted it to look not so shiny and smooth. So yeah. And now I'm done with half part of my hair, and I proceed to the front. And this time I decided to section off the front in smaller sections because I wanted more volume in the front. And guys, this hairstyle took me 7 hours to make. I mean, I did not expect that at all. But I think it's because I had so much detangling to do with the extension. Because when I cut it in two, I had to fluff it out. So I did a lot of combing and stretching. So I think that's why I took so much time to make the style, because I was so tired. At the end of the day, I was exhausted. So finally, I had this last section. I just braided the roots, making sure that every hair that was around went into the last braid. I braided the roots and I proceeded to twist. rest of the extension with my hair. So yeah guys, finally the style was done. I really love the style because it is very lightweight. It's very easy to maintain. So I just trimmed a little bit, I didn't trim much. And this was the next morning. You can see my smile, I was very pleased with the hair. So I wanted to style the hair in a low bun. So that was what I was trying to do here, styling it in a low bun. And you can see me using a bun maker because I wanted volume. And I twisted the ends of the hair around the bun and I pinned them down. And yeah guys, that's the finished look. I love this hair. It's very lightweight. This is my kind of style. I love it so much. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And what do you think about the style? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.